Whew. Hey, it is absolutely amazing. I'm at the Blue Lake and I was just walking up a little bit. I hope nobody saw me. They are not allowed. And I hope that the dogs won't come. So here you see the lake. Behind all that stuff, it goes down here. I have to be careful because I bought a bottle of wine. And this bottle of wine is a very good one. It's called Terrache de Lava. And this is like a wine from three different grapes, um, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot und Cabernet Franc or Franc. And the woman in the shop told me that this is one of the favorite, the one of yeah, one of the people's favorite wines. Yeah, so I came here. I have a little bit of hash, and I'm gonna smoke it, and I'm gonna drink the bottle. Oh my God, it's gonna be nice. I'm gonna make a little test for you. The woman already opened the bottle, so I'm deep. It already she closed again with the cork, and I will. So it already decanted a little bit. What I don't have is a glass, but please forgive me. Cheers to the azores and to the good people out there. Hello world. Yeah, that's social media. You know, you see what other people do, and here my tent 21 euro. Um, okay, cheers. Mm. Oh, oh, this is good. Mm. Lots. Oh, it's heavy, elegant, smooth. It has a great berry and